In this video, I'm going to show you how to create a Finelo account. First, install or visit Finelo. Go to finelo.com or directly sign in page at app.finelo.com sign in. Next, on the homepage or splash screen, tap Get Started to begin the registration process. Finelo uses a quick quiz to learn about your goals and customize a learning path, investor, trading, crypto, or passive income. Now pick your plan, weekly, monthly, or multi-month. Pricing starts as low as 6.93 per week, 19.99 per month, and $40 month thereafter. Next, provide your email, username, and password. Confirm your agreement to Finelo's term and condition and privacy policy. If you registered after payment, check your email for a complete your registration link from Finelo contact@finelo.com. Click that link, verify your email, and finalize your account step. After signing in, choose your recommended learning path, explore interactive courses, use real-time simulator with virtual funds, and utilize AI tools and quizzes to deepen your knowledge. And that's it. That's how easy to create your Finelo account.